I'm a father of two, husband, and a very poor surfer trying to pick it up, basically. My main mentor really was a gentleman that lives around here, and I remember scrubbing into a case with him doing a hip replacement when I was a medical student. The whole thing was it was a very disorienting experience. First time in theatre scrubbing, seeing a procedure like that magnitude. And in the middle of the procedure, he, after resecting the arthritic joint, he took it out and he turned to me and said, "I've just cured this lady's arthritis." And from that point onwards, I was pretty sold. And I think following that lady from before with quite debilitating pain and not being able to do much during her normal day-to-day activities, to then being pretty much a normal person who could completely forget about her hip joint was quite profound, and it had an effect that I still recall today. So I've been doing orthopaedics now. We're looking at least 12, 13 years, and that's time both locally as well as overseas. The rewarding part is the results, and everything that I do, including staying up to date and trying to bring in the best that technology and science has to offer, is actually restoring function. And I think one of the reasons I keep coming back to this and haven't changed direction is because of the difference you can make to someone's life. And there's nothing more satisfying than have someone wheeled in a wheelchair before they've been assessed and had their surgery, and then watch them walk in without any aids, weeks after their procedure, and their life has changed. And I think that's the reason we all stay in this type of business. We are, I think, in a very exciting time now where advances in both science and in computing are starting to really filter into medicine in a way that patients can benefit from. And robotics is now becoming part of that process as well, and it's a progression really of treatment, surgery, and then bringing in computer navigation, computing, and then robotics is really just a natural extension of that process to make every procedure safer and more reproducible for every case.